I, the Reserve Bank of India, the pride of the nation. Since I came to existence in April 1st, 1935, I hold and control the economic development of India. I witness the policy changes, plans, laws, ups and downs of our economy. Today, I am at my 80s, a young lad, dispatching my duties honestly to the citizens. As I grew up, my duties and responsibilities also increased. I'm the umbrella network of many activities which are related to the nation's financial sector, encompassing and extending beyond the functions of central bank. The preamble of the Reserve Bank of India describes the basic functions of the Reserve Bank as to regulate the issue of banknotes and keeping of reserves with a view to securing monetary stability in India, and generally to operate the currency and credit system of the country to its advantage. I am the monetary authority, the issuer of currency, banker and debt manager to government, banker to banks, regulator of the banking system, manager of foreign exchange, regulator and supervisor of the payment and settlement system, play a crucial role in development.
Normally, आमे RBI got a closed institution बोली generally public got a perception. But 75th year आमे जब तक हितला platinum jubilee year रे आमे we opened up and तापर आमे गोटे outreach program गोटे start करचु जोटा कि आमे विभिन्न festivals मेला type रो जोड़ा हुए सब जोटी public gatherings हुए so सेठी आमे we used to put up stalls सेठी आमे stall करी आमर functioning ऊपर how we affect it we in a small scale we do कारण हमको गोटे देटा stall जोटा मेले जोटा से stall टा size ऊपर depend करे material consent रही जाए एटा हमें रेगुलरली करूछु आपनकर बाली यात्रा हला कि रथ यात्रा बेले जदी किछि प्रोग्राम सोने करंती मोस्टली ओरमास जो प्रोग्राम गुडा करे सेतरा हम पार्टिसिपेट करू प्लस नाउ एटी ओडिसा रे आपन देखिते बहुत डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे मेला मध्ये स्टार्ट करछन डिस्ट्रिक्ट फेस्टिवल्स तो सेटी मध्ये हमें कपल ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट संबलपुर हला कलाहांडर मध्ये गुटे फेस्टिवल एमते तीन चारटा जगह रे जाईकरी सेटा 7-8 दिन हुई हमर पिला जानती सो दे स्टे देयर फॉर 7 days करी एटा करू हमें बट वी थॉट इट स्केल इट अप सो आमर इट स्पेस अच्छी आम स्पेस कन्स्ट्रेंट न था सो आम भाविल जे केतोड़े करंट इश्यूज अच्छी जोड़ा कि आम फील कलु जे वी नीड बिगर कैनवस सो आम पाई कन्वीनियंट आम जेहेतु स्पेस अच्छी एंड कोइंसाइडिंग विथ उत्कल दिवस
As I turned to 80 on 1st April 2015, I wish to celebrate the day with great enthusiasm and pride. So, at RBI Bhubaneswar, we decided to celebrate the event for 5 long days, that is, from 1st April to 5th April, by holding an exhibition in our RBI campus with the theme RBI at 80, Beyond Central Banking.
जननी
The objective was to financially educate and create awareness on banking related matters among the common man and come closer to the people.
आज रिजर्व बैंक रो 80th फाउंडेशन डे मु ये अवसर रे रिजर्व बैंक रो समस्त कर्मकर्ता मान को मु अभिनंदन जनाऊँगी आ तापर आज ये जो 80th बर्थडे अवसर रे जो एक सुंदर एग्जीबिशन ऑर्गेनाइज करा जाइए से बहुत शिक्षणीय लोक मैंने जानवा दरकार जे बैंक रु की सुविधा आजिकल उपलब्ध हो पारुछि।
रिजर्व बैंक आज 80 वर्ष पूर्ण है। यही परिप्रेक्षी में रिजर्व बैंक गोटे मुख्य जो रोल और फंक्शन से प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ डिपॉजिटर्स इंटरेस्ट जो लोक मैंने डिपॉजिट कर बैंक रे खाता खोलिकी पैसा रखुंट सेविंग्स बैंक डिपॉजिट हो बा फिक्स डिपॉजिट हो बा रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट हो से जो टंकाटी नहीं बैंक ताकू जो इन्वेस्ट करुच्ची बा लोन आकार रे दौची से टंकाटा केंति फेरी पाइबो आउ कस्टमर पैसाटा केंति सेफ रहिबो से दृष्टि आमर बैंक जतिक अच्छी भारत रे जतिक आमर शेड्यूल कमर्शियल बैंक अच्छी सेगुड़ाकर रेगुलेशन आउ सुपरविजन होची रिजर्व बैंक रो दायित्व।
Over these 5 days, we made an endeavor to show and create awareness among people on the snapshot of 80 years of the journey of RBI. Role of RBI in the life of a common man. Benefits of banking. Caring about currency notes and interesting facts on currency. Taking e-banking forward.
Basic purpose of this exhibition is to educate people about financial transactions, how they can be benefited by undertaking financial transactions through the various standards and accepted means of financial institutions. In the country, we were having a large number of people who were financially excluded. That is, they were not into the formal banking channels. Now the government of India, by rolling out the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, has taken care that each and every household is included in the financial system of the country. And Reserve Bank of India, commercial banks have taken upon themselves that they will ensure direct benefit transfers directly into the accounts of the people.
Acceptance of deposits by unauthorized bodies. Awareness on fraud schemes for earning quick money.
according to the current guidelines, no non-banking finance company which is allowed to accept deposit can give more than 12.5% rate of interest. So any company which claims that it can give 18% or 20% or 24% rate of interest, we are trying to tell the people that it may not be, genuine company. You please check whether the company is authorized to accept money from the public or not. Acceptance of money from the public can be in two forms, in the sense one is deposit, for which RBI gives authorization, another is through capital instruments, shares, preference shares, etc., for which SEBI gives authorization. So now we tell the public that anybody who claims to give very high return, you please find out whether in the first place whether the company is authorized to accept money from the public or not. Authorization may be from RBI, may be from SEBI. Please check the authorization, then only you go ahead and give. If very high rate of interest is promised, then the company may not be a genuine company. You may lose your money.
Grievance redressal related to banking services. Benefits of having insurance coverage and pension scheme. We had installed 2 coin vending machines at the site for dispensing coins for public, and also had provided the facility of exchange of soiled and mutilated notes from the public at the site.
सर्कुलेशन पे आमर गोटे करेन्सी चेस्ट मेकानिजम अच्छी जहाँ थ्रू कि बैंक मान करेन्सी चेस्ट सब अरेंजमेंट दि जाइए आम करेन्सी से दौ से बैंकिंग नेटवर्क थ्रू से पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती करेन्सी सर्टेज तो केवे ना कॉइन सर्टेज तार मेन रिजनटा हूँ कॉइन बहुत सफिशिएंटली रिजर्व बैंक को दूसरी बैंक भी सर्कुलेट कर पब्लिक थ्रू रे गोटे मेन प्रोसेस रोचे कौन कॉइन रोटे रिवर्स फ्लो सिस्टम थाए गोटे आम प्रथम कथा आम 100 टंका कॉइन बैंक थ्रू रे पब्लिक को देलु पब्लिक से जो टंकाटा जिते नेले से माने से टंकाटा को केते दूर निज पाखरे रखुचंती बा पॉकेट रे नेगिरी बुलुचंती बा मार्केट गला बेले यूज करचंती बा घर बाहला मन रखुचंती जे घरे मोर केते टंका अछि मु ताको केते नेगी जीबी समस्त एक्सपेक्टेशन या रहउची जे जेमाने सेमाने जब जोठी जाउचंती जे कोनसी दुकान को जाउचंती जे कोनसी काम करूचंती जोठी जाके काम करूचंती किणुचंती दुकान जाउचंती सेमाने ही कॉइन देबे तेणुक आमर जिनसरा हूँ आम कॉइन जब गोटे वन साइडेड फ्लो हो चलो गोटे तरफा ही चलो ताले केते जिते कॉइन देले भी सी नियंट हम तेणुक मोर कहवा कथा हूँ कॉइन सप्लाई यथेष्ट दि जाऊँगी बैंक मान पाखे कॉइन भी अच्छी कॉइन वेंडिंग मशीन भी लगाई सो सप्लाई साइड रो कौन सेमती टाइप कौन समस्या ना बोली मु जानवर मो जानवर सप्लाई साइड रो कौन समस्या ना
RBI is doing this for the first time within its campus or in front of the campus. Otherwise, in many events like Bali Yatra and other district level festivals, we also organize coin exchange programs, coin vending through coin vending machines, and exchange of soil and mutilated notes at different such functions. And RBI, though it has allowed some 5 machines inside its campus to take coins through coin vending machines, but at Bhubaneswar there are 24 places there are coin vending machines in Bhubaneswar, so people can go there, they need not come to RBI, and we want to dispense with a feeling that there is any shortage of coins in the market. Actually people, they do not carry coins in their pocket. That is the reason why there is a artificial scarcity of coins in the market. There is absolutely no scarcity of coins in the market.
Another major attraction was the provision of an Aadhaar enrollment counter at the site, which saw huge rush. On this occasion, a marvelous sand art was created by the eminent sand artist Subala Maharana, depicting 80 glorious years of RBI.
आम जो 80 वर्ष रिजर्व बैंक फाउंडेशन डेटा आम सेलिब्रेट कलु 80 वर्ष पूर्ण होगा सेटा हमर सेंट्रल लेवल रे बॉम्बे रे हला जो थरे कि हमर प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी आसथिले ता छड़ा आम रिजनल ऑफिस रे बहुत गोटे रिजनल ऑफिस कले आम गोटे इनोवेटिव आइडिया रे एटा को करिया चेष्टा कलु जोटा कि गोटे एग्जिबिशन गोटे बड़ धरणर एग्जिबिशन ये जो भुवनेश्वर और तार पेरिफेराल एरिया रे लोक गोटे अवेयर करिया पे आम ताको चेष्टा कलु ये 5 दिन जो है आमर एग्जिबिशनटा एथिरे प्राय आमर 10,000 खंडे लोक आसछन्ती एग्जिबिशन ग्राउंड को ता छड़ा किछि लोक या द्वारा उपकृत हेले कि माने जो चिराफटा नोट बैंक रे जाई के लाइन रे लगेया पड़ुथला तांको चिराफटा नोट एक्सचेंज करिया पड़ुथला तापर कॉइन जो लोक जो खुचरा कॉइन तांको गोटे प्रॉब्लम होउथला पुनी कोठी बैंक रा ता टाइम रे आसीबे ए सब न करी कि से माने एग्जिबिशन रे तांको मन तांको पसंद मुताबिक टाइम रे आसी कि से कॉइन गुड़ा एक्सचेंज करि पारले ता छड़ा ए जो एग्जिबिशन टा गुड़ा एजुकेटिव माने गुड़ा शिक्षणीय जिंस लोकन को मिलिला गोटे हूँ जे आमर जमती आमर जो पैसा आमर जो टंका आमर जमा पुंजी को आम केमती विनियोग करवा बैंक रे केमती खाता खोलिबा बैंक रे पैसाटा रखिबा द्वारा आम कौन उपकृत माने आमर कौन उपकार हुए जमती आमर इंश्योरेंस मिलिबा बैंक रे किसी प्रॉब्लम हेले ता छड़ा जोड़ाक अनऑथराइज एंटिटी जो माने आरबीआई रो लाइसेंस पाई नांती सेथिरे रखि दउचंदी तापर से माने टंका ए जो जमा पुंजी कष्टलब्ध जमा पुंजी को हरई बसुचंदी तो लोक मान गोटे आइडिया गोटे अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करिया द्वारा कराला या द्वारा ये एग्जिबिशन द्वारा जे तुम मैंने बैंक रे आसिकी जमा रख तुम बैंक रे जो पैसाटा रखुच जो टंकाटा रखुच यहाँ प्योरली सेफ
Financial inclusion this is one of the main agenda now in RBI, one of the agendas, and for that what we do to ensure that we achieve progress under financial inclusion, we want to open a lot of, we have told banks that you open a lot of branches, particularly in rural unbanked areas. And in Odisha particularly because of our bank, because of RBI's efforts, lot of banks have opened branches particularly in unbanked areas. In those areas like where people 20 to 30 kilometers distance, we didn't have any bank branch, there banks have opened branches. And then RBI is also giving a license to many new banks, private sector banks. And also we are giving license to small and payment banks. There's a new different kind of bank which we call niche bank. So we are opening branches and we are also encouraging branchless banking. Like we have business correspondent model or e-banking, electronic banking we want to facilitate. We want to establish more number of ATMs.
The important materials displayed were financial literacy, benefits of saving, benefits of having a bank account, various banking products available, advantages of financial planning, acceptance of deposits from public by unauthorized bodies. Before depositing your hard-earned money in a non-banking financial company, NBFC, ensure that the NBFC is registered as a deposit accepting NBFC with RBI. Collect proper receipt for deposits. Maturity period of deposits with NBFCs is minimum 1 year and maximum 5 years, and interest rate should not exceed 12.5%. Chit funds, unincorporated bodies like individuals, firms are prohibited from acceptance of deposits from public in any form. NBFC are not permitted to offer gifts, incentives in cash or kind. Deposits are not guaranteed by RBI or any other agency. not to get cheated by fictitious emails, SMSs, calls promising easy money, e-banking, mobile banking, and the benefits of insurance.
Let me start with, there is no idea as such, this awareness exhibitions. We have been doing it at various melas, various exhibitions which are being conducted by different other organizations, mostly government and district level also. We have been participating in that, and we thought why not escalate it to a higher level, and why don't we use the space that is available with us to create the kind of awareness what we intend to do among people, covering a lot of topics where we do things which are beyond the central banking functions. So that was the idea, and incidentally it coincided with our 80th Foundation Day. So this was one of the most appropriate occasions to start the show, and we kept it for a period of 5 days. And I'm quite happy about it, because the footfalls that we have had about the content of the program, and then the awareness it has created, the way people have used of say coin vending machines, exchange of notes, and of course the add-ons which we had about online banking, mobile banking, Aadhaar enrollment. I think we have met our objective. Yeah, the general message is, I think these kind of initiatives, they need a lot of effort, and when the effort goes on, I would expect people to come and see those kind of exhibitions. So I mean, where there is opportunity, you go for that. You don't have a look at it, then come back to say that awareness is not created, is not done. That's something we should not have a laid back approach into that. We should also see to find out where things are going wrong, and yes, so this type of exhibitions, they really help.
The Reserve Bank of India is committed to pursue the public interest and common good as a leading central bank that is recognized for its credible, transparent, and proactive policies.